welcome back to my another video again. So how are you guys? I hope you are doing well. So my video has received a lot of love from you guys, so keep giving just love and keep watching the video till the end. If you make a 4 months video viral, you will get a lot of blessing. You guys keep helping me to make my video go viral as soon as possible, and keep sharing it with your friends. I know you people might not have liked my lecture because I am making new blog videos and don't have much experience, so I want